Welcome to Magnolia Springs in Semmes, Alabama. This is one of my favorite D.R. Horton communities because it has a private clubhouse, a community pool, and a playground. This is a 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths. It has 3-car garage. This home also offers tray ceilings in the living area as well as the primary suite. It comes with gutters and downspouts, a gas stove, even a tankless water heater. Now don't forget, this is one of the Gold FORTIFIED homes, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. And D.R. Horton also pays up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs when you use their preferred lender. But wait, there's more! This home also qualifies for USDA financing. That means no money down if you qualify. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. In-law suite. This is my favorite feature of this home. Here's the separate living area for the in-law suite with the tray ceiling. And then here's the private bedroom in the in-law suite along with the adjoining bathroom and its own walk-in closet.